What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best smartwatches of 2022. Now present to you the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, the best overall smartwatch in 2022. The company delivers greater efficiency, improved design, premium materials, and a healthy level of function. There's also sapphire glass for the top, an aluminum case, and a polycarbonate interior with space for all the health sensors. The buttons are located on the right side of the watch and are also made of metal. In terms of fastening to the wrist, the strap fits perfectly without the slightest risk of escape. The Galaxy Watch usually includes an excellent Super AMOLED display that is signed by the brand itself. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is no exception, as its panel provides excellent visibility in all conditions. At night, in full sun, and during exercise, there are no problems. This is certainly a smartwatch with one of the best screens. Its 1.4-inch Super AMOLED panel with a resolution of 450 by 450 pixels with a density of 326, and it's very durable and water-resistant sapphire crystal. It offers touch input with very good screen responsiveness and fluidity. The watch is fast and fluid and does not heat up during use. This model boasts 1.5 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of storage. It has top-tier hardware and is perfect for everything you can ask for from a smartwatch. As for the available functions, we're looking at heart rate, cardiac electrical signal, electrical bioimpedance, temperature sensor, accelerometer, barometer, gyroscope, and magnetic sensor. As for system settings, we have manual brightness and adjustment, do not disturb mode, screen lock, watch face settings, vibration intensity, and many more options. When it comes to sports functions, in addition to basic information for all exercises such as time, BPM, and calories, the walking exercise modes will measure steps, steps per minute, and step time per kilometer. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 has a 410 mAh battery for this version, but depending on the exact model you choose, you'll have a 284 mAh battery to secure about 40 hours of normal use, which is fantastic. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.